Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we'll be looking at a second example on how to use the triangle sum theorem. So here's another example where we might not have the actual measurements, but we'll have algebraic expressions inside of our triangle. Regardless of our triangle, right, no matter what triangle we have, it will always follow the triangle sum theorem. So in this case, it doesn't hurt to try and see if we can use the triangle sum theorem to find the value of x and also to find the measurement of each angle. Again, this might not always work, but it's always worth a try when working with triangles. So let's look at the triangle sum theorem. The triangle sum theorem says that if you add up angle A plus angle B plus angle C, the interior angles of a triangle, this should always add up to 180 degrees. Here is the theorem. Let's plug in the information that we do have. Now for angle A, I have that angle A is equal to 3x plus 2. So let's have 3x plus 2. For angle B is just x, so we can do plus x. And for angle C, we have another small box, but remember the small box means that it's 90 degrees. So let's put angle C as 90 degrees. This one here, it's 90 degrees, so let's put 90 degrees. That should all add up to 180 degrees. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to combine like terms. I can see that I can combine this 2 with this 90, so it's going to give me 92. So let's combine those two together. So it's going to give me 3x, and that's going to be plus x. And then I have the 92. And that should still equal to 180 degrees. I can still combine like terms. I can here combine the 3x and the x, so I have 3 of them plus another one that's going to give me 4 of them. So in total I should get now 4x. So I have 4x plus 92 is equal to 180 degrees. I can subtract 92 from both sides, bring down the 4x, and that's going to give me a total of 88. Now, 4 times a number that gives me 88. Again, that's going to be 22, but if you still need a bit more assistance, you can use algebra to isolate the x. So then x is equal to 22. So we have found the first part where it says what is the value of x, right? We have found out that x is 22. Okay, so that means that angle B is actually 22 degrees. And now we need to find out what angle A is. Well, angle A, we know that the measurement of angle A is equal to 3x plus 2. But we saw that x is equal to 22, so we can replace the x with a 22. So that's going to give me 3 times 22 plus 2. I'm going to replace the x with the 22. Now if I simplify this, I'm going to get a total of 66 plus 2, which is going to give me 68. So that means that angle A should be 68 degrees, right? This one should be 68 degrees. And as always, we can check our work. All three should add up to 180 degrees. So if I could check my work, I'm going to write down, let's see, angle C, which is 90 degrees. So let's see, angle A, which is 68 degrees, plus angle B, which is 22 degrees, plus angle C, which is 90 degrees. That does add up to 180 degrees. So here's an example of how to use the triangle sum theorem to solve for missing angles when you have algebraic expressions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and also share the video. Thank you for dropping by, and I'll see you next time.